So we are starting with Cuddly Beauty Alexa. I follow it up with a gripping primer. Use what you have. All right, we are sticking to the OG Pro Filter by Fenty. I have this in shade 440. I have two pumps here. I'm gonna coat my brush really good. Go in stamping motion. Okay, so I'm not using much. I'm using enough to correct the skin. I'm gonna use matchstick to contour. I have this in shade Ebony. Picking it up with a brush and going that. Yeah. Take back the foundation brush with no additional product. So this is the jawline with minimum contour, and this is the jawline without the contour. Okay, I don't really want to contour my nose, but I like to take the contour brush and go back and forth at the bridge of the nose and take it over to the eyelid and bring it down to the nostrils. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to follow it up with the Pro Filter Concealer. I have this in shade 380. I'm going to use this KVD brush to blend it in stamping motion at the forehead. I like to use this shade 380 when I want super bright under eyes, not necessarily using it as my corrector or concealer shade. And for me, it's either I use the 380 from Pro Filter line or I use number 7 from Armani Power Fabric. So yeah, this two kind of does it perfectly well for me. I'm not selling you anything, I'm just telling you what I do. So yeah, to make it a bit muted, I take the foundation brush and I go over it gently in stamping motion, not really moving it but pressing it down, and then taking a sponge to go all over the face, to get rid of brush strokes and also get the under eye properly situated. let's quickly attend to the eyelid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's too much. I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. Okay, I'm gonna use this Hindash palette. I'm using this shade, the chocolate brown and the dark brown. With a dense position brush, I'm taking the chocolate brown first. I'm gonna place it at the high point of the upper crease. I'm gonna do it gently back and forth, blending it right into the crease. Same brush, I'm taking the darker shade and then blend it back and forth below the first one and slowly take it down to the inner corner. And blend it from the outer lash line and link it to the outer V, to create some sort of a wind effect. I'm going to use the same concealer, a little concealer on a brush. This is M224. Then give the eyelid a little moist. At the same time, define the crease line. I'm going to use Trophy Wife all over the lid. This is a super yellow gold highlighter. I'm using Mocha Mommy bronzer. Tap, 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 tap. Add that a little. And a little on the forehead. Okay, I'm gonna do setting spray. I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Eyeshadow. I'm just tapping a little. This is probably a wrong move because it has some shimmer to it. So I shouldn't have, but here we are. Yeah, and let's put on the lashes and call it a day. And so we round up. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after. Bye.